In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, tools like Cursor AI and Grok 3 stand out as essential resources for both developers and non-developers alike. Understanding how to effectively utilize these platforms can enhance productivity, streamline workflows, and foster creativity. Whether you are a seasoned programmer or someone just starting to dip your toes into the world of AI, mastering these tools can open up a realm of possibilities. Cursor AI is designed to simplify the coding process, making it more accessible to individuals regardless of their technical background. It employs natural language processing to help users write code by interpreting human language commands. This means that instead of wrestling with complex syntax and programming languages, users can simply describe what they want to achieve in plain English. For example, if a user needs a function to calculate the sum of two numbers, they can type, "Create a function that adds two numbers together," and Cursor AI will generate the corresponding code snippet. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who may feel overwhelmed by the intricacies of programming languages. To get started with Cursor AI, the first step is to familiarize yourself with its interface. Upon logging in, users are typically greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard that showcases various options. A user can begin by selecting a project or creating a new one. Once in the project space, the real magic happens. The user can input commands in the text box, and Cursor AI will instantly provide code suggestions. This interactive feedback loop not only accelerates the coding process, but also serves as an educational tool, allowing users to learn coding principles in real time. One of the standout features of Cursor AI is its ability to integrate with existing code bases. Users can upload their current projects, and the AI will analyze the code, offering suggestions for optimization or identifying potential bugs. This aspect is invaluable for more experienced developers who are looking to enhance their projects without starting from scratch. By leveraging the AI's capabilities, users can refactor their code, improve efficiency, and ultimately deliver better software. Grok 3, on the other hand, is another powerful tool that complements Cursor AI. While Cursor focuses on code generation, Grok 3 is designed for data analysis and machine learning. It provides users with a platform to build, train, and deploy machine learning models without requiring extensive knowledge of the underlying mathematics or algorithms. This democratization of machine learning empowers individuals to harness the power of AI in their projects, regardless of their technical expertise. To effectively use Grok 3, users should begin by understanding the types of data they are working with. Data is the lifeblood of any machine learning project, and Grok 3 allows users to upload datasets in various formats, such as CSV or JSON. Once the data is uploaded, the platform offers a suite of tools for data cleaning and pre-processing, which are crucial steps in any machine learning workflow. Users can handle missing values, normalize data, and even visualize datasets to gain insights before diving into model training. Once the data is prepared, Grok 3 simplifies the model building process. Users can choose from a variety of pre-built algorithms, such as decision trees, neural networks, and support vector machines. The platform provides an intuitive interface that guides users through the process of selecting the right algorithm based on their specific use case. For instance, if a user is interested in predicting customer churn, Grok 3 will suggest models that are well-suited for classification tasks. Training a model in Grok 3 is a straightforward process. Users can set parameters, select training and testing datasets, and initiate the training process with a single click. The platform provides real-time feedback on model performance, allowing users to monitor metrics such as accuracy, precision, and recall. This feedback is crucial for understanding how well the model is performing and whether adjustments are necessary. Once the model has been trained and fine-tuned, Grok 3 makes it easy to deploy the model for real-world applications. Users can generate APIs that allow other applications to interact with the model seamlessly. This means that businesses can integrate AI-driven insights into their operations without needing extensive technical resources. The ability to deploy models quickly is a game changer, enabling organizations to leverage data-driven decision-making in a timely manner. Combining the capabilities of Cursor AI and Grok 3 can yield remarkable results. For instance, a user might start a project by utilizing Cursor AI to develop a web application that requires machine learning features. They can generate the necessary code for the front end and back end using Cursor AI, while simultaneously using Grok 3 to create a model that predicts user behavior based on historical data. The synergy between these two tools allows for a more streamlined development process, where the user can focus on building a cohesive application rather than getting bogged down in technical details. Moreover, both Cursor AI and Grok 3 are continuously evolving. As AI technology advances, these platforms are likely to introduce new features and enhancements that further simplify the user experience. Staying updated with the latest developments and best practices will ensure that users can maximize the potential of these tools. In conclusion, mastering Cursor AI and Grok 3 can significantly enhance your ability to work with code and data. Whether you are developing applications, analyzing datasets, or creating machine learning models, these tools provide the support needed to navigate the complexities of modern technology. By embracing these platforms, users can unlock new levels of creativity and efficiency, transforming their ideas into reality with unprecedented ease. As the landscape of AI continues to grow, those who harness these tools will undoubtedly be at the forefront of innovation, driving change and progress in their respective fields.